Hello, I am Michael Kirichenko. You're watching SkyWay News, in which we highlight the development and implementation of breakthrough transport technologies. In this issue, you will get to know about the news from the Department on Standardization and Certification of Management Systems, the state of rolling stock production, and one more important piece of news, with which all the project's partners live for the second week. And now, all this in more detail. Feeling huge responsibility to hundreds of thousands of our partners, while remaining committed to absolute transparency of our activities, the top staff of Unitsky String Technologies company has arranged an audit of the occupational safety management and environmental management systems in the company developer of Unitsky String Transport for compliance with the requirements of two standards of the National Conformity Assessment System of the Republic of Belarus. The supervisory audit is conducted annually during the entire 3-year period of certificate's validity. Based on the results of the periodic assessment, the auditor noted a significant progress in SkyWay innovations that took place during the year, major changes in the development of Eco-Technopark, and coordinated teamwork of the company's professionals, drew attention to the high organization level of the production process in terms of occupational safety and environmental protection, fitting of production sites with modern equipment using advanced technologies which minimizes the risks of industrial injuries and emergencies. The issues of noise reduction in the wheel-rail contact pair, minimization of the vehicle's mass, increase of production effectiveness stimulate the company to look for new wheel manufacturing materials. A promising solution is the use of special polymer composites with satisfying properties of strength and stiffness. Now negotiations are underway with foreign manufacturers who have provided their samples of composites for testing. The best option is being selected and proposals are put forward to improve the features of provided samples. Here you need to understand that the composites will be only a part of the wheel's combined design. We go on working to improve the algorithms of the UniWind U4 651 hydraulic system. Now, the vehicle's onboard control system can perform more detailed diagnostics of components as well as analyze the data obtained and respond instantly to possible deviations from the normal operation of the system, making it more reliable and safe. In addition, we have worked out the algorithms necessary for routine maintenance of the vehicle, which indirectly allow to check with high accuracy the operation of system components that do not have an electrical connection to controllers. A successful preliminary virtual assessment of the movement quality of Unilight U4 830 vehicle along the transport system being designed for Eco-Technopark has been made taking into account the main design parameters, various extreme driving conditions, and lateral deformation of the track. Their modeling has allowed to send recommendations safely and in short time to design departments and operational services of Unitsky String Technologies company. The developed models have also been used to correct certain parameters of automatic control systems for the onboard complex of the Tropical Unicar U4 43101 in forecasting extreme situations and dynamic loads on the elements of the transport complex being created in Sharjah. I would like to remind you that last week SkyWay Group of companies announced the successful completion of Stage 13 of development and transition to Stage 14.1 that will take place on the 5th of December 2019 at 11:59 p.m. Moscow time, and will bring about a decrease in the current discount. This is possible due to a number of achievements of the group of companies since its previous stage. Cooperation with representatives of the business community and authorities in the United Arab Emirates has risen to a high level. In addition, Industry 4.0 has been introduced in the company's work, integrating the most sophisticated cyber-physical systems into production. Production facilities have been updated. A new building has been put into operation. SkyWay has been announced among the experts of the program Transformation of Our World, Agenda on Sustainable Development for the period until 2030, adopted by the UN in the year 2000. We have modernized the rolling surface on the truss overpass and carried out a series of preliminary tests of systems for power supply, charging and elements of current collection from the track structure. Checkup of new design solutions on power supply elements of rolling stock. In this regard, a gradual reduction of the discount will continue in the interests of investors. The next stage of development consists of several sub-stages that will provide investors with the opportunity to plan their own investment strategy more flexibly. The nearest plans of SkyWay include the expansion of the project in the United Arab Emirates and further development of transport, energy, and information technologies, establishment of new business and partnership ties. Such is our traditional brief report on the progress in the development of Unitsky Eastern Transport over the past week. Follow the updates at the official SkyWay website, subscribe to our YouTube channel, support our project, and each new step of your life will be a step to the top. Build SkyWay. Save the planet.